I make money by advising businesses. More importantly, I make money by advising businesses that are then successful. So I have a vested interest in successful businesses. I have got a real understanding of what it is to be a small business, because I myself am a small business. I've got a lot of experience behind me, but I would hope that I can talk to people in ordinary terms and explain what can be very complex legal and accounting issues in plain English. We've got a staff of about 10 people, varying from accounts, tax experts. We focus on the family private business. The one thing I always say to my clients is I see about 350, 400 different businesses every year. Ultimately, businesses frequently have the same problems. I've got a lot of information available to me that says, yeah, in your industry you ought to be making this sort of money. And people don't know that because frequently competitors don't talk to one another. Their information isn't readily available, but via the accountancy world it is. I never wanted to be an accountant. I always wanted to be a doctor. My father was a GP, and I went off to medical school. Very, very quickly realised it wasn't for me. After the first year we parted company. And my father insisted that I ought to have a profession. And he had arranged for me to go and see one of his patients who was an accountant. And to be honest, I was stitched up. I turned up there to see this accountant as a duty to my father, to be told, oh, by the way, you're enrolled at the local college and you start tomorrow. There's two things in particular I always say really please me. One is seeing somebody who wants to set up in business and persuading them that actually they shouldn't do so because I could see it would lead to disaster, and them saying, yes, I can understand it wouldn't work. And the other side really is talking to somebody about their tax, about their business, and them coming away from that meeting and saying, yes, I understand now what's involved and what I've got to do, because if that's happened, I've done my job.